Hello, today we're going to be taking some time to review the latest innovation to come out of Censis Technologies, our new CensiTrac Advanced Cross-Reference Instrument tool. This tool is going to help us minimize tray assembly times, reduce the amount of tray assembly errors that we encounter, as well as help optimize and manage our tray assembly processes as well as our count sheets. The tool allows us to do this by creating a cross-reference database of 250,000 viable substitutes we're aware of on the market. To illustrate how this tool will help benefit our SPD reprocessing areas to help minimize these tray assembly times and reduce errors, let's first take a look at a count sheet during assembly with this tool turned off. From the CensiTrac main menu, I'm going to go ahead and scan a small sample set to initiate an assembly process. I'm going to go ahead and click New Assembly, and it's going to bring me to my assembly screen for this particular tray. I can see my count sheet here in the middle with its list of applicable instruments. Over here on the right, we see that we have a substitutions column, which helps us quickly identify the number of substitutes that exist for each instrument on this count sheet. We can see pretty quickly at a glance that our substitution counts are pretty minimal, and there's also an instrument that has no substitutes approved with this 0 here. Now that we've seen the number of substitutes that exist for this tray with the tool turned off, let's go ahead and take a look at what this would look like once we call our Censis Client Manager or the Censis Support Desk and ask for assistance to develop and enable this tool. Now that the Censis Cross-Reference Substitution tool has been enabled, let's take a look at how that changes our experience during container assembly. So from the main menu, once again, I'm going to scan the same small sample set. I'm going to begin a new assembly. And we see the same count sheet, except now we can notice a pretty stark difference in the number of substitutes that are available for me, the end user, while assembling this set. I can now see that all of my substitution counts have increased, and this Diva retractor, which originally had 0 substitutions listed, when I click on its substitutions that now are viable options, we see that there are 5. We can see how this automatic addition of these substitutes will help us minimize tray assembly times, it will help us reduce tray assembly errors, and from a management perspective, it will help us optimize and have efficient oversight of our count sheets and the substitutes that our technicians are encountering during assembly. This cross-reference tool will apply to all count sheets as well as all the instruments that are currently existing in a customer's database. It's important to note that this tool can also still be managed. So if there's any substitutes that come about due to the tool, those can still be disapproved or approved depending on the situation in the tray. This latest innovative feature from Censis Technologies helps us greatly increase our ability to accurately and safely assemble trays while also helping us have training opportunities for inexperienced techs, or if we happen to have new instruments that we've recently purchased, or if we've built new trays. For more information, please visit www.censis.com or contact your Censis Client Manager.